Finally, we have completed our time here, Cabo de Rama Beach. It's been such an amazing experience. The waves, breeze, and the calm vibe here are just unforgettable. Now it's time to head back to our stay. It's Williams Beach Resort. It's about 30 kilometers away from Cabo de Rama. So we have got a nice scenic drive ahead. The roads are beautiful, full of greenery and coastal views. Let's see how the route goes today. It looks like interior, right? It's a normal lamkante tara kanasta. It looks like a paddy. Fishes will be there. It looks like nice shopping area. So after once we reach the hotel, after that again we'll come back. See old church. Yeah, it looks beautiful. So we can go to here also. We can go tomorrow, right? See here and so after going to the hotel again, we'll come back to this street market once. After that, we'll go to Colva Beach. But looks like Goa had other plans for us. It started raining heavily, so our Colva Beach plan got cancelled for today. Still, the rainy vibes here are amazing. Perfect to just sit back, relax, and enjoy a cup of chai, a coffee, watching the rainfall. So, it's around 7 o'clock. It's a drizzling here. So first we want this, okay, no? There we saw, no?
Palolam. Cabo de Rama, no? Palolam beach, it was okay.
It was okay.
We bought two cabs. One cab for 50 rupees, another one for.
One cab or both cabs are 150.
They asked more.
They asked 200. We given 150. So bargaining was there.
Actually, it wasn't a bargaining. We could have directly said the 100.
100 we could say.
We said 150 and he accepted immediately.
Yeah. We could have said a little more less. So now we'll see what and all we'll shop in. So here shopping starts. But we don't want these all things. Right?
Right, Puppy? Harman.
Everywhere Corona. There black and white. Here black dog. But because of the heavy rain, we couldn't do any shopping. So instead, we thought, why not enjoy something? We are having time for Samosa and chai.
Water or coffee you want? What do you want? Water or coffee?
It's raining. We are not able to take anything. We are not able to shop anything because it's heavily raining. We are just walking. We just had a coffee and lemon tea and samosa. Now here it's heavily raining. It's not at all stopping. We'll see. Our avastha is.
To drinking coffee in Goa.
No, people were drinking their coffee.
No.
Cold. We got sandal. Here it is 200 rupee. 250 they told 200. We told and we given 200. And soon after wearing knee sandals, he slept.
Martins.
Now we are going to Martins, right? We'll see Martins. No, first we'll go to Colva Beach now.
Okay.